Oh yeah.
Another hammer time. Beautiful box. Oh yes. You know what? You do this, stupid box. Stand upright. Come on. Jeez. Useless. Stupid. Jeez. Oh no, now how we're gonna lift stuff out of the car. Piece of trash. Come on. Power up. What are we gonna use to put our stuff in now? Oh no. Broken in half. Failed.